Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. I made a video about a month ago on the rear diffuser that the company Nubehone sent it to me for installation and reviews. It turned out great. I really loved the installation. Now they sent me 2 extra pieces. These goes on the side where the diffuser is. It's going to enhance the look of the car, and it will also help with diffusing the air as well. So I'm gonna get this installed. I'll go through the procedure with you guys. It's super simple to get these on, but it's gonna look really awesome. So these are made in very high quality. You can see that they're real carbon fiber, and it's on both sides. Nicely done. So it's designed to be, so you can see this is where the diffuser that I installed recently. So this is designed to go up and fit under there just like that. Just like that, and you see like all these screws right here. It fits right into the underneath. And there are 2 bolt holes that's going to be bolted onto 2 existing screws below, and then manufacturer also supply a bunch more self-tapping screws that you can screw it on for additional support. And then there's some tapes too. I'm debating whether I'm going to use the tape back here or not. I don't think it's needed. I put on like 4 or 5 bolts to bolt it on. So let me show you what's underneath here. You can see that there are 2 bolts. I'm going to try to mount those 2 bolts and then use self-tapping screws, and it'll be done. Okay, so I did some dry fit, and these holes don't really line up with the 2 existing holes down there, but that's all right. It's super simple. You just mark a new location for those 2 holes. So there's one here, and there's one here, you can see it. So I'm gonna drill those 2 holes so it fits with the factory bolt. Now the manufacturer might put these other 2 holes just for you to put the extra one on. I'm not sure, but that doesn't matter. It's down here, nobody can see it. And then I put this around, and I wanted to put a couple of more holes in. You can see there's one here, and there's one here. So I can do a self-tapping screws that is gonna screw right into my lower bumper, just so it stays secured. And then I'm probably gonna use the tape. So here's the tape that's provided by the manufacturer. So I'm gonna go and put some of those on for additional support, and then I'm done. All right, so I get this side installed. It's super easy. So I drill the extra hole here, and then here. Then I put the self-tapping screw here. Then I use the existing hole from the manufacturer to screw that one on, and then I made another one just to make sure I secure everything. So from underneath it looks just like that. Now guys, these are really low. You can see this is where the ground is. So I use one of these right angle drill to drill the hole. Drill and tap using the self-tapping screw. I went over this on my other video. I just want to show you guys real quick on this. But yeah, no, it's literally take me about like 2 minutes to get this mounted. Not too bad at all. So on this side, I decided to use normal screws. These are stainless instead of the self-tapping screw like I use on the other side. And I felt like I can put a lot more torque on these. I think the self-tapping screws are not meant for plastic, since it's drill a hole too big for the screws to go into. So I went ahead and fixed the other side as well. I drilled 2 additional holes and put 2 additional screws on it. Just make sure it hold on tight. I put quite a bit of torque on these, and it seems like it's holding very well. So I would you guys, I'll just do these instead of self-tapping screws. This side fitted really well as well, the passenger side. As you guys noticed that I didn't use the double back adhesive tape. I didn't think there's a need for it because, you know, with all the body screw and then the couple of extra screws that I put on, I think it's like super rigid. So I don't think there's a need for this, but if you really want some more security, you can absolutely put these double back adhesive tapes between the diffuser and the car. But you know, these are just like super strong right now. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference. So I decided to leave it out, but you know, it's your choice to put it in or not. I'm gonna give you guys an overall look of the car and see how the extension is gonna tie everything in. So you're starting out with the front splitter, and they kind of have a really nice flow to the side skirt, and then it gets to the extensions. So you can see it's absolutely a beautiful flow straight from the front of the car to the back, and you can clearly see it on the side. And once again, the quality of this carbon fiber is really beautiful. It's great, really nice craftsmanship, and you can see that it fits extremely well into the contour of the bumper. Everything fit perfectly. Looking from the back, and you see that it makes the low end of your car looks a little bit wider with the extension. And it tucked just right behind the rear wheel. I say it's about half an inch from the rear wheel. These are 325 tires, so they're quite wide. They're wider than the OEM ones. Fits really well. There we go. And in my setup, I think it looks so much better with the carbon fiber wing, and then, you know, of course the diffuser is carbon fiber, and now the extension is carbon fiber, so it's kind of tie everything in together. Now of course the exhaust tips is also carbon fiber, really nice. And then I also have this cover piece as carbon fiber as well. I think there's probably enough carbon fiber back here, just the right amount in my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really like the extension that I added on it. I think it definitely enhanced the look of the car. It makes the rear end look so much better. It looks a little bit wider towards the bottom, which I think it ties really nice, tie in really nice with the rest of the car. I really like it. So as it turns out, you cannot buy just the two extension by itself from a Nubehone. You have to order the entire kit, which come with the diffuser and then the two extensions. I forgot what the price was. It's like $500 something. I will attach the link to this product to the description, so you can go and buy one for yourself. They're right on Amazon, so it's real easy to find and purchase. And I think if you have Prime, it will get delivered to you right overnight. So a great product, and the price is awesome. I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. Like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.